Good morning, students. In the previous module, we discussed that declarative or assertive sentences are those sentences which give you some information or they tell you something or make a statement. Next, we studied that the question type of sentences where we ask some question, they are called interrogative sentences. Children, now we are going to discuss about the next two types of sentences, that are imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. First, let us discuss about exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentences, children, as I discussed in the first module, that they are those sentences which give you some command or an order or some request is been made. So when we ask somebody to do something in the form of order or a command is given, or we request somebody to do something, these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Children, in imperative sentences, they can give you some directions also, like go to the left. I'm giving you some direction. Stir the dough. Okay. In this way, some direction. When I give you command, I say attention, stand at ease, right hand up, or sit down. Some command. Some order also. I can say don't talk. It's an order. I ask you not to talk. Don't make a noise. Okay. So in this way, even open to page number 56 is a direction I am giving, which page I have to open. So this type of sentence, or when I request you or we request somebody to do something, that type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Please give me a glass of water. Please, will you come with me? Please don't make a noise. Please talk softly. In this way, these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. This sentence express a request, an order or a command. Either order, command, request or even direction. Starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Like the assertive or declarative sentence, they also start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Like don't make noise. It's an order. Please give me a pen. So in this way, you can see here, don't, D capital, please, P capital. So starting of the sentence is always with capital letter, ends with full stop. Here you can see full stop. So this type of sentences are called imperative sentences. Children, please learn the spelling. I-M-P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. I-M-P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. Imperative sentences. Okay. Coming to the next type of sentence, exclamatory sentence. You all know when we are very happy or when we are excited or maybe we are too sad or we are in pain. That type, when we make some exclamation, we make some sudden, we give outburst, sudden outburst. That type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Children, spelling again, E-X-C-L-A-M-A-T-O-R-Y. Exclamatory sentences. E-X-C-L-A-M-A-T-O-R-Y. Exclamatory. Now these sentences, they express a strong emotion or a sudden feeling, suddenly you felt up, ouch, oh, okay, in this way. They start with capital letter and they end with exclamatory mark. As you can see, the exclamatory mark like this you have to make. And I have written a sentence, wow, what a beautiful statue. Like you may have gone to the Statue of Unity and you stand before it and you say, wow, what a beautiful statue. So in this way, this emotion, sudden emotion, expression of some happiness or sadness or pain. So in this way, when we express something, we call it exclamatory sentence. So imperative sentence, command, request or order or giving that type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentences also written with capital letter ends with full stop, but in exclamatory sentence we start with capital letter, but at the end we put exclamation mark. Okay, so these are the 4 type of sentences: assertive or declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and lastly the exclamatory sentence. So just show you quickly the 4 types of sentences. Have a look. So you can see here declarative or assertive, tell something, ends with a full stop, as you can see, ends with a full stop. Okay, then you can see interrogative sentences, they ask some question, ends with a question mark. You can see it. Have a look. Then exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling, ends with an exclamation mark. And the last one, imperative sentence, gives a command, okay, or ends with a period or exclamatory mark. That is, also sometimes we put full stop also after exclamation, like wow, exclamation mark, it is a beautiful statue. Then you have to put a full stop, but exclamatory mark will be there in the whole sentence, either in the beginning or maybe in the both the time, or maybe one exclamation mark and another one full stop. Okay, so these are your 4 kinds of sentences. Thank you, children.